Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, today is an eyeshadow. It's a single shadow that ever since Amanda Zed showed us, I have been chomping at the bit to get at least one. And this is where my angel comes in again. Because I didn't do a full haul, but that's the fun of it. I still have things to show you. I like doing that. And it gives me an excuse to do a video. Plus, maybe I'm going to overshare. I might do that because I've been depressive lately about my YouTube channel. So, if you're okay with that, let's get going. Alright, the single shadow that I wanted, and I had another one and I cannot find it for the life of me. I can't find it. I can't find it. And when I was looking for, I'm gonna cry. I actually had tears falling yesterday when I was looking for it because I couldn't find it. Let's concentrate on the one that I do have. It's the Ulta brand. It is, first of all, it's in the Champagne Sorbet, and it's the bouncy eyeshadow. Yes, it's got a cover. Yes, it came to me shattered because it's delicate. So I've been storing it like this. And yes, I tried to repress it with my finger in alcohol. The only thing I did not do is what I'm going to do now. I haven't opened it since I tried to repress it. Oh, it seems to have worked. I was going to take probably a loonie and a Kleenex, put it in like this, and I was gonna, you know, just to see if that would work, but I guess I don't have to, which is good because now I can take my eyeshadows. First of all, let's see if I can swatch it for you. It is very delicate. Yeah, I should, no, I'm just gonna do this. And I've got a choice of liners. I want to stay in the gold department, but look at that. That's a wet eyeshadow. That is why I wanted it. That's why I fell in love with it. So I'm going to take my 21 Refer favorite brush ever. I'm going to bring you guys closer so that there we go, I actually remembered. And let's see if I can do this. Nope. I hope I don't have to use my finger. I might have to. Yep, finger it is. It's not as, what's the word I'm looking for? Intense as a Super Shock. It's almost like a topper. It's in between a topper and a Super Shock. How about that? It feels like a Super Shock. And the other color I have, which has mysteriously gone somewhere, is actually darker than this. I could have used both. But this is very low-key for me. I mean, I don't do looks like Cole of the Ball or Chloe or a lot of people who use a lot of indie shadows, but I tend to be a little more in your face than this. Okay, now let's see. This is yeah. I gotta find the other one. I gotta tear this room apart. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use the Annabelle or the Sephora brand. Whoa. It's not old. Why are you coming out? Oh, these two are very different colors. Okay, the darker one is the Annabelle. Let's see if I can use the Annabelle. Okay, I am still missing something, and it's called an inner corner. An inner corner. I am going to see if I can use this. Let's try this Clionadh eyeshadow, if it has a name. Centaur. Let's try Centaur. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I don't think I'm going to be placing a Sephora order on the VIB sale because I am down to VIB instead of Rouge. And yeah, I've got most of my cart is Sephora brand products. I mean, I would have loved to have the budget to get the grunge palette from Ulta Beauty and the latest one from the SMEAKY, but that's not in the budget. It's not. So I might just save that budget money for Beauty Bay. I have 2 palettes in my Beauty Bay cart with a couple of other things, and I might just do that instead. But I went today to check my cart and there was no sale on anything, so I might have to wait a little bit. I still have to wait at least a week, but I might wait until something goes on sale. So yes, I added a little bit of Clionadh shadow on top. I cheated, but I'm allowed to cheat because it's my video. But once I sharpen the Annabelle, sharpen? Yeah, sharpen. Don't buy the Charlotte Tilbury sharpener. It's crap. But once I sharpened the Annabelle, it went on very well, and I was able to use an itty bitty eyeliner brush quite well. And this is my Delium in number 760. It's, I mean, look at the size of that. That's perfect, especially for somebody like me. And what I use for my inner corner is actually a lip brush. So what I'm going to do is mascara and eyeshadow right there. I'm back and back and back and back and back and back. Looking fan. Very demure. Yes, I did put fairy dust. While I was putting my highlighter on, I put it all over my brow because I knew it happens sometimes that I'm ahead of the game. Once in a rare while. Yeah. I didn't really talk about what I wanted to talk about. That's not a bad thing, actually. Okay, I'm going to just put on Dior today. But before I do that, I wanted to say the Citylips, I've been putting it on in the morning. As I'm having my coffee, I'm putting it on. And what time is it? It's like 1 o'clock now. And I put it on this morning at 8. No, 9, because I got up late today. I put it on at 9. And I still feel it. It doesn't feel like, I mean, yeah, the shine has subsided, but it doesn't feel like I need anything on my lips. It's brilliant. Also, this can now go back in my bucket with all my change that needs to go to the bank to get counted. And this can go in the garbage. So that's brilliant. So let's do this. Let's sniff first. Yep, still good. I'm using a tubing mascara. Oh, I would give up all of my lip glosses other than Citylips. Those 3 stay, just to get one more to replace this one. Actually, now that I think about it, all of my other lip glosses probably cost more than one of these. Okay, Bridget, every time you want to buy another lip gloss, put the money aside for your Dior. So there we go. I have an absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow look with an extra little pop in the middle and old gold liner. And I actually did contour. I contoured my nose with contour, my Illamasqua. My battery's about to die. So I am going to say, thank you, my angel. Amanda Z is right. They're gorgeous. I got to find my other one before I really have a breakdown. Thank you, everybody, for coming to visit with me once again. Please leave me a comment, like my video, subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.